me, Peachy Queen here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'll be testing out some interesting social media tricks. So some of you guys may have seen some of these social media tricks or even tried them out, but today I'm going to try them and see if they actually work. So make sure to give this video a big giant thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe down below, make sure to share this video, and without further ado, let's get on with this video. The first trick I will be trying out is the bubble trick. Here is what you will need to try this trick out. Cotton pads, water, and some soap. Now, I'm pretty sure that some of you guys have no clue what the bubble trick is, if that's even what it's called. So here's a video to show you how it works. So now that you guys know how this trick works and what you will need to do this trick, it's time for me to try it. First, I'm going to take one of my cotton pads, add some soap to the bumpy side, right there. Take some water on my finger and rub it in. You might want to sprinkle some water on there too, just to make sure it has enough. And now I guess all you have to do is blow. Whoa, look, some actually came out. Now I just have to try to make it as long as that girl did. Wait, woo, look at that. Let me try this again. Really? I wonder what makes hers so long and mine so small and short. What the? I did it! Look! The way I got it to work the best out of all of my attempts was by putting soap basically only in the middle, so that when it comes out, it kind of comes long instead of all spread out and short. You know what I mean? I want it to be longer instead of wider. Warning guys, make sure not to drink or take in the soap. So I don't really know if I should call this a fail because it kind of worked, but not exactly the way that the girl did it. Like, she had a lot coming in a long line and mine was kind of just not the same. So I don't know if I should call this a fail or not. You guys comment down below if it's a fail or a success. Now let's move on to the next trick. Now this next trick is basically the same as the first one, but instead of using cotton pads, I will be using cotton swabs. I also have a video to show you guys for this trick. For this trick, I think I'm just gonna put some soap on the tip of the Q-tip or cotton swab, rub it in a little bit, and then dip it in water, and we'll see what happens. Ready? Really? You guys can't? That's all that came out? Let's try this again. Ugh, it's so hard. So guys, I think that one was basically a fail because none of them worked. It was so hard to get the bubbles out. This next one is not really a trick. It's actually kind of like an ASMR. Recently on Instagram, I've been seeing these videos of people playing with Oobleck. And I have made Oobleck before, but I've never put any add-ins in them. So today, I'm going to test that out. Here is an example of what I'm talking about. Here are the items that you will need to try out this trend. Cornstarch, water, coloring of your choice, something to mix with, and some add-ins. As you can see, the video had sprinkles, but I don't have those, so I'll just use some glitter and some slime beads. To make oobleck, you must add in some cornstarch into your bowl. Ah, that was so messy! Next, slowly add in some water. I've decided to start this whole thing over, so I'm getting some new cornstarch and starting this whole entire cornstarch thing all over again. This time I'm going to add water first. Now I'm going to slowly add in some cornstarch and mix it together. By the way, if you guys don't know what oobleck is, it's basically a substance that is a liquid and a solid. You guys will get what I mean later. Make sure to mix thoroughly because sometimes the cornstarch gets stuck at the bottom. As you can see, it's still liquidy, and I'm going to add in my coloring. And I want it to be pink, so I'm gonna add in a little bit of red. You can also just add in your food coloring to the plain water before you add in your cornstarch. Time for me to add in my add-ins. Wow, that looks really cool. As you can see, when I touch it with force, nothing really gets stuck to me except for a little bit of residue. And then when I just relax, my hands just get devoured by the oobleck. Ah! I say that this was a success. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up. Comment down below if you've ever tried any of these tricks. Subscribe down below, share this video, and don't forget to check out my Instagram at official_Peachy Queen. And I'll see you guys next time. Love y'all. Bye. Thank you.